Okay, question 6, and another small angle approximations question here. Go to your formula booklet then, under the trig identities section, down towards the bottom we've got small angle approximations, and the two relevant ones in this case are sine theta is approximately equal to theta, and cos theta approximately equal to 1 minus theta squared over 2. So I'm just going to jot those down at the side of my page, like so. And of course remember this is effectively placeholder situation, which is important because here we've got a cos half theta. So this is going to be a cos half theta is equal to 1 minus a half theta all squared over 2. Okay, so 1 minus a half theta all squared, like that, over 2. So that's a replacement for, that's a small angle approximation, should I say, for cos of half theta. And then all of that is over 1 plus sine theta, which approximates to just theta. Okay, that looks like a really messy looking equation. But if you stop and think a moment, when this multiplies out, you're going to get a theta squared. That in itself is fine. The real messiness about it at the moment, in many ways, is the division by 1 plus theta. The unknown is in the denominator, or part of the unknown is in the denominator. So, what we do in that situation is multiply through by that denominator to take it to the other side. So, let's see what the impact of that will be. There we go. So immediately looking a bit nicer. Still a bit of work to do here, but once we've sorted this bit out, then everything will be on the same level and looking really quite tidy, probably quadratic equation. So we have a quarter theta squared divided by 2. Well, a quarter divided by 2 is an eighth, so we have overall an eighth theta squared. Multiply this out, and there we go, we've got our quadratic equation. And so I'm just going to tidy it up, take the theta squared term to the, and the 1 to the other side, so add that across to make it 1/8 theta squared. We've then got our 0.825 theta. We've got 0.825, take away 1, so that's minus 1.75, and then that's also equal to 0. Okay, just a final bit of tidying. We've currently got a mixture of decimals and fractions. Since those two are decimals, I'm going to turn this into a decimal, and that's 0.125. So there we go. And now we're ready to go to our calculator and use the equation solving option. So scroll down to your equation option there, polynomial, degree 2, and type in your coefficients. 0.125, 0.825, and minus 0.175. Okay, that then throws up 0.206 to 3 sig fig and minus 6.81 to 3 sig fig. So on the face of it, they're the two answers. However, the whole premise of this question is that theta is small. Something like 0.1, 0.2. Well, this 0.206 is fine, isn't it? Happy with that. But negative 6.8, that's around about negative 2 pi, that's slightly more than negative 2 pi. That's definitely not small. That is a full sweep of a sine curve away from the origin. So that's not at all small. A nice neat line through that, but so that you can still visually see that it was a 6.81 there. And then just put not small. So that 0.206 is our only answer. Okay, that concludes homework 5.